So welcome to this lecture. What we're going to do now is take you guys through the brightness, contrast, and the curve. So we're going to get into the exposure. So what we're going to do is open up the image, and we're going to use this dark pick needs fix. So this is going to be one that you can download. We'll give you the link. Should be in the workbook for you as well. So we're going to name this one just as dark pick needs fix. So obviously this is an old photo of myself when I was filming back in the day. And what we're going to do is we're going to change our workstation a little bit. So bear with me here. This is what we're going to do. So essentially what we want to do is get to the exposures of everything. But one way we can do that to kind of get it started is let's go into the photography one. Now you can see this histogram here. Now this is going to help us with the exposure, and I'll show you how in just a second. As you can see right now, everything is moved towards the left. When you want a proper exposure, you want it to be essentially even. So this is going to be on a scale from dark to bright. And obviously it's smushed towards the darkness. So dark to bright. So with this image, let's select it. And let's go to our brightness here. And all we do is drag this over. Let go, and we want to bring it over so it fits inside, but it's not clipping, it's not too bright. So if we start going about 150, it's pretty bright there, but if we bring it down, we can retain the quality because our photo fits within the IRE scale. So right now this is basically on a scale of 1 to 100, this would be 100, and then this would be 0. Your exposure, your skin tone, you want it to be at around 40 or 50. So about, or 30 to 40, depending on your skin tone. And you want it to be at about around here. So if you can get your midtones around here, which you can see in the image. So when I start bringing this up, the midtones, which will be your skin tones to get it properly exposed, should be around here. And then another way to fix it is to change your contrast. So this you can kind of adjust to what you like. For me, something like this is quite good. And then there you go. Like you already have a difference in image. So let me just open up another one. It's just so we can do like a direct comparison. Okay. So essentially, so let's just export that. We'll just do a quick export. So we'll just open this one up. And then what we'll do is we'll close this. So now we can see the difference between our two photos. We went from this to this, and that's how you bring up the exposure. Again, if it was too bright, which we'll do next, you take it down. And that's simply how you change the exposure. So next video, we'll show you the other way.